Did Tory Lanez just accuse his own attorney of siding with the opposition? In a fresh twist to his high-profile legal battles, Tory is taking aim at his former lawyer, Shawn Holley, with some serious allegations. And what's more, he's pointing fingers at Roc Nation, claiming there's a hidden agenda behind his recent conviction. This new development has fans asking, is this a fight for justice or just another layer of Hollywood's drama? Flashback to July 2020, Hollywood, California. After a party at Kylie Jenner's house, an argument erupted in an SUV carrying Tory Lanez, Megan Thee Stallion, and friends. Megan would later accuse Tory of shooting her in the foot as she tried to exit the vehicle, leading to a media frenzy. However, it wasn't until weeks later that Megan publicly named Tory as the alleged shooter. The case immediately polarized fans and the public, creating a heated debate over who to believe. By October 2020, Tory Lanez faced felony charges, including assault with a firearm, to which he pled not guilty. Rather than staying silent, Tory launched a musical defense, releasing an album, Daystar, where he maintained his innocence track by track. Meanwhile, Megan responded with her own music, taking direct shots at Tory in her track, Shots Fired from Good News. The case finally made it to trial in December 2022, where Megan gave a heart-wrenching testimony, recounting the alleged events and the toll it took on her. Tory, however, chose not to testify, while his legal team suggested that Megan's former friend Kelsey might have been responsible. Despite the high-profile nature of the trial and intense days of testimonies, Tory was found guilty on all charges, a verdict that would lead to a 10-year sentence. Following his conviction, Tory was handed a 10-year sentence in August 2023, but he wasn't ready to accept defeat. As his team worked on an appeal, Tory made a surprising move by filing a complaint with the California State Bar. The target? His former lawyer, Shawn Holley. Tory claimed that Holley might have had a conflict of interest due to her alleged ties with Roc Nation, Megan's record label, casting doubt on the fairness of her representation. In his complaint to the California State Bar, Tory claimed that Holley's work on the Hulu series Reasonable Doubt created a potential conflict. The show, reportedly inspired by Holley's life as a high-profile lawyer, even featured music from Roc Nation artists like Megan and Beyoncé. Tory alleged that Holley abruptly dropped his case right before the verdict, despite being paid a substantial retainer. Could Holley's ties with Roc Nation have influenced her decision to step away? Shawn Holley didn't stay silent. She issued a statement, dismissing Tory's allegations as meritless, and clarifying that similar claims had already been rejected by the California State Bar over a year ago. Holley argued that Tory's new complaint could be a tactic to gain public sympathy and aid his appeal. Could Tory's accusation be a calculated strategy? Or is there more to his claim than meets the eye? Aside from Holley, Tory has accused Roc Nation itself of working against him. According to Tory, Roc Nation pressured him to accept a plea deal, and when he refused, Holley allegedly turned on him. While Roc Nation hasn't publicly responded to these claims, Tory's followers wonder if there's any truth to his accusations. Is this a sign of real conflict, or a last-ditch effort to win favor with fans? Public opinion on Tory's latest allegations has been mixed. Some fans see it as a last-ditch attempt by Tory to salvage his reputation, while others believe there could be some hidden agenda from Roc Nation. Social media has lit up with debates, and it's clear that this case remains a divisive issue for fans everywhere. To understand the weight of Tory's claims, we turn to legal experts who explain that proving conflict of interest is no easy feat, especially in cases as high-stakes as Tory's. For Tory's appeal to succeed, he'll need to show evidence that Holley acted directly against his interests. For Tory's appeal to succeed, he'll need to show evidence that Holley acted directly against his interests. As the appeal process begins, Tory's case could set a new precedent, especially if his allegations gain traction. High-profile cases like these often spark discussions on how celebrity legal battles are influenced by powerful entities. But for now, Tory continues his fight from behind bars, hoping his appeal will change his fate. So, what do you think of Tory's latest move? Are his accusations against Roc Nation and his ex-lawyer founded? Or is this just another chapter in a complex saga? Let us know your thoughts below.